Hello, greetings from Boonery. In today's topic, we will see the history of Tom and Jerry, the cartoon characters of a cat and mouse and the fight between them. This cartoon has been in history for more than 80 years. When did it start? Who were the people behind making these characters? Let's find out. As a child, each one of us had a favorite cartoon character which we would love watching all the time. There have been many cartoons over the decades, but one cartoon stands out, and that is Tom and Jerry. This cartoon is an all-time favorite of not just children but even adults and oldies. What is the history of this cartoon and how did it start? Let me share with you today. In the country USA is a company which is one of the oldest film studios, named Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer Studios, or MGM in short. Two of its employees, one was named William Hanna and the other was Joseph Barbera. They both collaborated together and thought of making new cartoon characters. Their initial idea of a new cartoon character was of a fox and a dog, but they weren't really impressed. So they finally decided and came up with the idea of characters consisting of a cat chasing a mouse. Then in the year 1940, they released the first film called Puss Gets the Boot. It was a short film. It was released in movie theaters for audiences to watch. At that time, the names of the characters were not Tom and Jerry. The cat was named Jasper and the mouse was known by the name Jinx. Later, thought was given into renaming these characters to make it more appealing. A contest was then held at their company to rename those characters, and the one who came up with the best and unique names for the cat and mouse would be rewarded. Each one came forward with their suggestions, looking forward to the reward. And finally, it was the animator John Carr's suggestions of the names Tom and Jerry. So it was John Carr for which he was awarded the first prize of $50. This was the start of Tom and Jerry cartoon series. Later on, with time, the characters Tom and Jerry did undergo changes in their looks. What were they? Take a look. As time passed by, with new series of the cartoon, there were a lot of animation changes. Earlier, Tom's fur had a ragged look, which was then changed and later given a smoother look. His eyebrows too got larger. And then, instead of walking on 4 feet, he was shown to be walking more on 2 feet. Jerry, on the other hand, lost some weight and also had trimmed eyelashes. Different looks were given to each of them, such as Jerry began wearing a red bow, while Tom was wearing a red cap. All the cartoons that they made of the chase between the cat and the mouse were with no dialogues. They were inspired by comedian Charlie Chaplin's silent comedy. That's how they thought too. They decided to make the cartoons on similar lines with only characterizations and no dialogues. They could make the cartoons funny even if it was without dialogues. So that's how Tom and Jerry was picturized, without any dialogues. In the 1950s, there was a rise in the television era than theaters, as people had access to TVs in their own homes to watch entertainment programs, due to which the MGM Animation Studio suffered losses. So both the creators left the company and started their own company. Beginning in 1965, the Tom and Jerry cartoons were no longer shown on big screens in theatre, but rather it began to appear on television. Tom and Jerry was such a big name that it was even featured on a film footage of human actors with animated characters in the movie as shown here. As the cartoon gained prominence, there was also controversy attached to it. What was that? Take a look. The Tom and Jerry cartoons had not only the characters Cat and Mouse, but also a female character named Mammy Two Shoes, which was the character of an American African woman working as a cook or maid. This character had erupted controversies. Why? It was because of the feelings of racism, which did not go well, as the character was depicted as a black woman about whom many thought that she was shown as being inferior. And finally, the character was edited out. Apart from that, some were not happy with the violence being promoted through such cartoons. They were against violence being shown in a funny manner. This was another controversy. In fact, in the year 2016, an Egypt official, Salah Abdel Sadek, claimed that Tom and Jerry cartoons depicted the violence in a funny manner and sent the message that yes, I can hit him and I can blow him up with explosives. He claimed it to be one of the reasons for the rise in violence. This did not go well with the audiences, and that led to another controversy. Whatever said and done, Tom and Jerry cartoons won more Academy Awards than any other character-based animated series. For those who love Tom and Jerry, it is still an all-time favorite till date, no matter what the controversy was.